Hi, my name's Juliet and today I want to talk about Kindle Previewer, which you have to download to be able to create Mobi files from Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you go to the Mobi option in Compile, you'll see a link to download the Previewer. That takes you to this page at Amazon, which gives you the link to download and also gives you links to information on the Previewer. The Kindle Previewer can convert files and show you how they are going to look. I also wanted to point out the TOCs for using Kindle Previewer, which you may be tempted not to read. I was curious. This is what it says. Basically, you are given a license to use this software to create Mobi files so that you can see what your book will look like on Kindle, but for no other commercial purpose, unless you get special dispensation to do so. In other words, you don't have permission to create Mobi files for commercial distribution elsewhere, like on your website, for example. Do with this information what you will. I tried creating a test Mobi file and opening it into Previewer. It did both things, but when I did, it told me I'd be better uploading an EPUB to Kindle, as that was the preferred format for publishing. I'll do a proper video on Previewer once we've created some proper Mobi files and EPUB files from Scrivener 3 for Windows. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.